So someone asked me a question: can you still make money from passive income? Now the answer to this is yes, and I'm going to show you how in this video. Now before I will show you how to do it, let me start with what is passive income and some background story about passive income. So passive income is actually a way of earning rewards from your idle crypto asset. So let's say you have BTC or USDT in your wallet which you want to keep for a very long time without doing anything with it. You can actually use that to generate passive income for yourself. So in 2021 I staked a coin called AXS. I staked around 4 to 5 ASX back then. I was getting around $10 to $20 just by staking the ASX on that particular platform. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how you can do that for yourself right away. But before I start this video, I'm going to say passive income strategies are not what they used to be back then. Right now the interest you're going to get are quite smaller, except you're a new user on this particular platform I want to talk about in this video, and the platform is Bybit. So if you don't have a Bybit account, Bybit is actually giving out 555% APR by staking your USDT on Bybit, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But if you already have an account, you can still earn from Bybit staking your tokens on their platform. So I'm going to show you how to do that for new users and existing users, and let's get started with the video. So let me start with how new users can earn 555% APR on Bybit. Alright, so the first step is to create an account with my link in the description. After you're done with that, the next thing you're going to do is to complete your KYC. You can do that by logging in your Bybit account right here and then click on this human icon. And next you're going to see an option for you to verify. Just click on this verified right here and to let you put your details to allow your KYC to be completed. Now once you're done with that, the next thing you're going to do is to deposit funds using P2P. And once you do that, you're going to receive 5 USDT for free from Bybit, and that you can actually cash it out, withdraw it, or use to do anything you want to do. So for P2P, just go ahead and click on P2P right here and put in the amount you want to deposit. So let's say you want to do like 500,000, let's say you want to do like 200,000 naira for instance. Type it in here, filter this, and then click on confirm. So you're going to go ahead and pick one person that is online here. So just go with it. I'm going to go with this first person, but you can go with any other person and then put in the amount you want to deposit. So let's say I'm going to put in $100. So that's around $156. So if you want to do 200k, you can just type 200,000 naira right here, and that's around $127. You go ahead and click on buy and click on pay now, and you're going to see the person's account details right here. So once you pay the person, come back and click on payment completed, and you're going to receive this token in your wallet. I already have around $1,000 in my wallet, so I don't need an extra fund in my account. So I'm going to go ahead to cancel this transaction. So once you're done with that, then come back to the home page like this. You're going to see your total money right here. So I'll start by clicking on asset, and then let me transfer this money to my funding account, because if you're using P2P, your money will be in your funding account. You don't have to do what I'm doing right now. So I'll just click on transfer. But if you already have your money in your unified account, just click on transfer and then move the money over to your funding account and confirm. Yeah, that's all. So I have the money in my funding account. So right now I can start using Bybit Earn right away. So I'll go back to home. Right, so the next thing you're going to do is to click on Bybit Earn. Now you're going to see these things moving right here. You can slide it and come to this one saying new users exclusive. Earn up to 555% APR plus 5 USDT. So go back to it and click on it. So over here you're going to see all of the tokens available on the Bybit savings. So you have BTC, which is giving around 2.4% APR. ETH is giving 2.7, USDT is giving 6.95. So you can see some have higher rewards, some have lesser rewards. Okay, but I'm going to stick with USDT. So I'm going to click on USDT right here, and I'll go with the flexible option. I'll click on it, and over here, this is what, for a new user, this is what you're going to do. So over here, just going to put in the amount. So you can do $1, you can do $10, you can do $100, you can do $1,000. It all depends on what you're looking at for. But you can see that if you are an existing user just like me, you won't be earning much from this campaign. It's going to favor more or less the newer users. So that's why this campaign is specifically for them. But for the benefit of this video, I'm just going to go ahead to click on I have read, and then I'll click on stake. Now before I do that, flexible means you can take out your money anytime you want to take it out. That's what it actually means. I'm going to go ahead and click on stake now, and you can see this is actually staked. So I can click on confirm. All right, so I've staked my money and I can withdraw it anytime I want to withdraw it. So the other options here, which is for those that want to get a fixed APY, you're going to stake for within 180 days or 190 days depending. Just click on the amount you want to do. But I think like these figures might be different for new users entirely, so you can explore other ones right here. If we want to also can also switch this very well to know the exact one that's for you. So this is flexible and this is fixed. To fixed, you're going to click on this drop down over here for USDT. You can see what you're going to get. 2.97% for old users. This is going to be more than that for new users, and then 4.05% for old users. I mean, it's not very good for old users, especially if you are using small funds to do this. I would say people with bigger money that don't want to spend the money right away, I think it's like a very good option for them. But if you're a new user, then this is better for you. So this is basically how to do all of this. And for new users, for you to get this 555% APR, you have to leave your token staked for at least 3 days. And the minimum amount you can actually do is $100. So make sure you're from beginning, you're actually depositing $100 with P2P, which I just showed you in the beginning of the video. And then you can go ahead and stake it. You can do more than $100 if you actually want, but I think the max is $300. So you're not going to exceed $300. So but imagine getting 500% APR on staking $300 on Bybit. That's actually crazy. If you want to unstake your token after the 3 days, you can go ahead and click on manage coins, and I'm just going to toggle this auto save off. So once I'm done toggling it off, then I can go back, and I can go back completely. You can see there are still other options here like dual assets, smart leverage, on-chain, and where to manage. You can also use this to actually earn money from staking your tokens on Bybit. So but I want to show you how to withdraw your money just in case you want to take it out. So click on assets, and over here you can see that your money is now available on, there's an option called the end section right here. So what you're going to do is to click on it and select the one you have your money. So your money is on Bybit savings, so click on that one active, and then click on this arrow icon right here. Click on stake, click on max. You're going to get the full amount you staked. You can send it to your unified trading or your funding account. So for me, I'll just do it on my funding account. I'll click on stake, click on confirm. So that's how to withdraw your money. And if you go back to you can see right here, my money is back to my funding account. So this is basically how to stake and unstake your token. So guys, I would say new users should actually make use of this campaign, and make sure you're signing up with my link in the description. That's the only way you can actually qualify by getting this 555% APY. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.